Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. It's summer season or the fruit season. We used to miss lots of fruits when we were abroad, and one of our favorites being jackfruit. You can prepare lots of variety dishes with jackfruit and some snacks that can be even stored for a year. But here, not going that detailed, some recipes that you could definitely try at home now. And I know many of you living abroad might be missing all these. Beginning with a sweet snack with ripe jackfruit. You need to remove the seeds, but don't throw it away. Next two recipes are with the seeds, so stay tuned. Add the chopped jackfruit into a pressure cooker, some water. Cover, lock the pressure and cook on low flame for 3 or 4 whistles. There are chances for the jackfruits to stick to the bottom and might burn, so be careful to keep on low flame. If you cook without a pressure cooker, you can avoid that, but it would take some time. It tastes better when the next step or cooking is done the next day. Transfer the cooked jackfruit to a thick bottom vessel. Keep on medium-low flame and without taking a second rest, keep stirring the jackfruit, or else here again there are high chances it would get burned. You need to keep stirring till you see the color changing to very dark brown. Now this you can store in the refrigerator for 3 days maximum and then prepare the sweet snack. Another way to store for a longer period is by adding ghee, jaggery and cardamom seeds, and that's what we call Chakka variety. Right now preparing steamed snack or appam, what we call. So this is the consistency and color that you need to get. So this one again, if you prepare the next day, it's much better. But in case you want to make after 2 days, do keep it in the refrigerator. For preparing the snack, we again use this leaf in which we'll be steaming it. We find this almost everywhere here and very common. We call it poduvanni leaf. You may also use banana leaf instead. Melt jaggery with some water. I'm really sorry, I forgot to switch on my camera, and by that time all the ingredients were already added in the mixing bowl. Here we need coconut that's chopped in small pieces. Then to 1 cup of the prepared jackfruit, you need 2 cups roasted rice flour and the melted jaggery. Again, the melted jaggery should not be thick or else you won't get it right. It should be a little watery. Since the jackfruit is already sweet, you might not need too much jaggery. Mix everything really well. Now you may get tempted to add more rice flour, but please don't do that or else the snack will have that rice flour taste than the jackfruit. All the ingredients measurement will be given in the description box, so do check it out. To enhance the flavor, add crushed cardamom seeds. Now, I already had a mixture of cardamom seeds powdered with little sugar and that was kept in the fridge, so adding a teaspoon of it. The consistency you need to get should be like a very soft or mushy dough, almost a bit looser than a cookie dough. If it's thick, you won't get the snack cooked in the center. So be careful of these tips while preparing, and if you have any other tips, whoever knows about this recipe, do let me know. I guess these are the perfect tips given by the sister. Add a handful of the batter to each leaf. You don't have to spread any oil or anything. Meanwhile, you need to keep a steamer ready. Here she have used the idli pot so that everything can be steamed in one go. If you're using an idli pot like how it's done here, make sure you keep the 2 racks of the idli tray below and then place the snacks. Or else there are high chances that water can come up and will go inside few of them. So be careful of that. You need to steam this for 30 to 45 minutes on medium flame. It's ready and can be eaten warm or cold. Now this tastes much better the next day or the day after. So this can stay good outside for 2 days. But if you need to keep it for more days, do keep it in the refrigerator. And that's how it looks. The rice flour should actually be a binding agent in it, so you should be getting the taste of jackfruit more than the rice flour. The crunch of the coconut makes us eat slow. As we chew it, we get to feel the real taste of the snack rather than gulping it. Next is a curry you can prepare with jackfruit seeds. Now I have shown moringa leaves curry with dal and horse gram. You can get the recipe link in the description box. Similarly, you can prepare the same with jackfruit seeds instead of dal. The seeds are packed with protein and even lots of other nutrients. You need to remove the outer white skin, and earlier I have seen many removing the brown skin as well, but these days everyone keep it, saying it's good for health. Chop the seeds into small pieces or thick slices. And over the other side, I was removing the moringa leaves, which is again organically grown in our garden. So that's the sliced jackfruit seeds. Add the seeds in a pressure cooker with some water and salt. Cover and lock the pressure. Cook for 4 whistles on medium flame. And that's the cooked seeds. Removing some of the cooked seeds for the next recipe, so stay tuned. You can blend this, but we love to have that bite of the jackfruit seeds while having food, so kept it as such. You may mash it a bit to reduce the size of the bigger seeds. Add some more water and few green chilies. Give a mix and wait till it boils. Do add more salt if needed. Meanwhile, slice few shallots that you need for tempering the curry. Once it starts to boil, add the moringa leaves and mix well. Let the leaves get cooked. Keep on medium flame. Now meanwhile, frying the shallots for tempering. Add the fried shallots and the hot oil into the curry. Give a mix, and if you feel the curry is very thick, do boil some water in the same vessel and add to the curry. And that's the delicious curry. It's very simple to prepare and very healthy. This is the cooked jackfruit seeds that was kept aside, and this is for preparing a delicious milkshake. It's even like a protein shake which makes your tummy feel full for a long time. So I guess this is very good while fasting. Add the cooked seeds to the blender. Add some cardamom powder, some sugar, and some cold milk. I have used raw milk which was boiled and kept in the refrigerator. Do add more milk and some ice cubes. Now to make it a healthy version, you can avoid sugar and add dates instead. If you feel it's more thick, do add more cold water. And that's your refreshing drink. This has a very unique flavor and it's very tasty. Do try it out, you will love it. And that's for today's video. Do try the recipes and share your feedback through comments, email or Instagram. Don't forget to share your pictures too. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.